So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the theme of your Discord mobile application or the computer software. You can do this process in order to your convenience, like if you want a light theme or the dark theme over your Discord, and if you have a premium account, or you can say the Nitro version of Discord, which is obviously the paid version, you can get some other color themes as well. So in order to do this process, first of all you have to do is to first simply open the Discord software either on your PC, and if you are using smartphone you can open the Discord mobile application. Now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now first of all you have to go to the option of settings. You are going to find out option of settings over the left bottom corner. You are going to see the option of settings icon. Just simply click there. Now you are in the settings of your Discord. Now in order to change the theme, you on the left window you have to scroll down and find an option of appearance. You're going to see the option the app settings section, and here on the first option you're going to see the option of appearance. Just simply click there. Now you are in the appearance settings of Discord. From here you're going to see the themes which says light theme or dark theme. You can select these themes as per your convenience, or you can just simply sync the theme with your computer device as well. Currently it's synced to my computer device, which is obviously the dark theme. So from here you can select the theme of your Discord account, and if you have a Nitro version, or you can say the paid version of Discord as software, you're going to have all these color themes as well unlocked for you. So by this method you can easily change the theme as per your convenience on your Discord account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.